Hello dear children, welcome you all for the class first. So today we are going to begin our class. So subject is English, New Oxford Modern English. Okay, so kindly take your textbook, New Oxford Modern English. Let's begin our class. So our first lesson is lesson number 1, Prem's Dream. Okay, Prem's Dream. So dear children, so just I want to suggest you one thing that you need to read. Okay, so reading is very important. So let's begin reading. Okay, so first you need to follow the step. So put your fingers or take a pencil and find out the letters first. Afterwards, you need to join the letters, then you need to make a words, then sentence. Got it? Yes, kindly follow me. Lesson number 1, P-R-E-M-S, Prems. Once again, P-R-E-M-S, Prems. Okay, here we have finished one word. Now let's move to the second word. D-R-E-A-M, dream. P-R-E-M-S, Prems. D-R-E-A-M, dream. Prems, dream. Now, kindly put your fingers or take a pencil. I-T, it. I-S, is. H-O-T, hot. D-A-Y, day. It is a hot day. I'll repeat once again. Kindly repeat after me. It is a hot day. P-R-E-M, Prem. Is, I-S, is. I-N, in. H-I-S, his. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Prem is in his garden. Prem is in his garden. Now come to the next box. H-E, he. Is, I-S, is. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. U-N-D-E-R, under. A, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. T-R-E-E, tree. A banana tree. I-T, it. H-A-S, has. B-I-G, big. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. He is sitting under a banana tree. It has big leaves. Okay. He is sitting under a banana tree. It has big leaves. Now come to the next box. P-R-E-M, Prem. I-S, is. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G, counting. A-N-T-S, ants. Prem is counting ants. T-H-E-Y, they. A-R-E-R, they are. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G, climbing. A, D-E-A-D, dead. T-R-E-E, tree. Once again, Prem is counting ants. They are climbing a dead tree. Prem is counting ants. They are climbing a dead tree. 1, 2, 3. Next. PREM, Prem. IS is NODDING, nodding. HIS, his. HEAD, head. Prem is nodding his head. He. IS is. CLOSING, closing. HIS, his. EYES, eyes. He is closing his eyes. Prem is nodding his head. He is closing his eyes. Okay. Now, IS is PREM, Prem. THINKING, thinking. NO, no. HEHE, IS is NOT, not. Is Prem thinking? No, he is not. IS is HEHE, COUNTING, counting. ANTS, ants. Is he counting ants? No, he is not. IS is HEHSLEEPING, sleeping. Is he sleeping? YES, yes, he is. Let us repeat once again. Is Prem thinking? No, he is not. Is he counting ants? No, he is not. Is he sleeping? Yes, he is. SOON, soon. PREM, Prem. IS is. DREAMING, dreaming. HEHE. IS is. MAKING, making. A present. PRESENT, present. IT, it. IS is. FOR, for. HIS, his. MOTHER, mother. Once again, we'll repeat this sentence. Soon, Prem is dreaming. He is making a present. It is for his mother. Now, dear children, here we have completed a reading of this page number 11. That is lesson number 1, Prem's Dream. So, it's a kind request to all the children to follow this method at least for 1 month. Okay, so you need to recognize the letter, then afterwards you need to read the words, then afterwards sentence. Okay, so today's homework is you need to read this first page, that is page number 11. Okay, you need to read 5 times. Got it? So see you in the next class. See you in the next class. Take care and bye bye. Thank you.